Creating an email campaign in MailerLite is a straightforward process that helps you send personalized content to your subscribers. Here's how to do it. Log into your MailerLite account. Go to MailerLite and log into your account. Navigate to Campaigns. From the dashboard, click on the Campaigns tab in the left sidebar. Create a new campaign. Click the Create Campaign button. Choose the type of campaign you want to send: regular campaign, A or B test, or automated campaign. Select campaign type. For a regular campaign, select regular campaign and give your campaign a name. Choose the recipient by selecting a group or segment of your subscribers. You can also add tags or filter based on specific criteria. Design your email. Use the drag and drop editor to design your email. Add elements like text, images, buttons, and links. You can also use a pre-made template if you prefer. Preview and test. Once your email is ready, preview it to ensure everything looks good. Send a test email to yourself to check for any errors. Schedule or send. Once satisfied, you can either send the campaign immediately or schedule it for a later time.